In Excel, every workbook is different. That means you may see the need to modify certain things, like the size and layout of the cells so that it will fit your data better. When we look at the columns, we notice that most texts are cut off, making it hard to read the content. To make the text visible, I put my cursor here, hold and drag to the right, to fit all the texts. The other option is to auto-resize the columns. This will automatically adjust the columns to fit the content of the column. To do this, double-click here and it will auto-fit it once. Now we have perfectly resized columns. As for rows, it is the same thing. You can manually adjust the rows or auto-size them to fit height of the text. To resize all the cells at once. In this example, I want all my rows to be the same height. Since I am using the same font and the same font size. To do this, click this Select All button at the top left-hand side of the worksheet, then resize the rows by holding and dragging. This will resize all the rows and make them the same size. It does not matter the row you drag. The same thing is also applicable to the columns. Select all, hold and drag to resize the entire column to the same size at once. Now I want to add another row, and I want the new row to be between row 6 and 7. All you have to do is to highlight the row number 7. From Home tab, go to Cells group. Click Insert to add new row. Now you can type in the new row. The process is the same with adding a new column. Just select the column at the right of the position you want to insert the new column, then click Insert to add a new column. The new column will be inserted automatically to the left of the selected column. To delete a row or column, first highlight the row or column. Click on Delete and it is deleted, causing the row or column to adjust to fill up the gap. There is difference between clearing and deleting. Clearing removes the content, but deleting removes the row or column with everything in it. To clear, highlight the position you want to clear and click Delete. You can also move any row or column to a different position. To move a column, highlight the column you want to move, click Cut in the clipboard group. Highlight the column to the right of where you want the column to be moved. Click Insert drop-down arrow and select Insert Cut Cells. You can also hide columns or rows in Excel. As an example, I want to hide these two columns, as I don't want it visible to everyone accessing this data. I highlight the two columns, right-click, from the menu box, I select Hide. This action will hide the selected columns. To unhide the columns, highlight the columns on both sides of the hidden columns, right-click and select Unhide. Hope you have gotten some values from this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a like. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon so YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. Do share this video with family and friends. Have a great day.